Why does my skin have pimples? Did you ever have a very important meeting and on the D-Day your skin betrays you with a very noticeable spot? You are not alone, and there are several causes to breakouts. At the start of a spot, there is sebum, a mixture of lipids and an antioxidant produced by your skin to protect itself. It flows outside the skin's pores and spreads on its surface. Sometimes the quantity of sebum increases or its quality alters. Then the flow is restricted, even stopped, especially if dead skin cells clog up the opening of the pores. When the pore is covered by the skin and filled with C. acnes, a specific bacterium, it leads to white pimple and inflammatory lesion formation. Many factors can trigger the sebum production, like hormones, stress, diet, and so on. NAOS ecobiological approach addresses the root causes of pimples formation. We know that to prevent pimples, a good skincare routine is a key. Acne-prone skin needs gentle care and products that target production and quality of the sebum, as well as clogged pores, to restore a healthy skin ecosystem and get rid of pimples. Learn more at naos.com.